Here is the introduction to my major invention, a groundbreaking new invention that will change the world, the ultra-simple piloting aircraft. My invention, the ultra-simple piloting aircraft, is a major breakthrough that can transform the world. It is as easy to pilot as driving a car, allowing anyone to operate it effortlessly. My invention, the ultra-simple piloting aircraft, first, it can revolutionize the world's transportation methods, shifting from ground transportation to air transportation. Second, it can transform the world's warfare methods, eliminating the need for ground forces and turning everything into air forces. Here is a schematic diagram of the cockpit of my invented ultra-simple piloting new aircraft. My ultra-simple piloting aircraft is extremely simple to operate, just like driving a car, with only 3 controls: the steering wheel, accelerator pedal, and brake pedal. Steering wheel controls the aircraft's left and right turns. Accelerator pedal controls the aircraft's up and down elevation. Press the accelerator, and the aircraft ascends. Keep the accelerator steady, and the altitude remains constant. Release the accelerator, and the aircraft descends. Brake pedal controls the brakes on the aircraft's ground wheels. This simple control method makes piloting the aircraft as easy as driving a car, making it an ultra-simple piloting aircraft that anyone can fly. This photo shows the small-scale model of my ultra-simple piloting aircraft. Here is a video displaying the actual flight of the small-scale model of my ultra-simple piloting aircraft. This video program is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, my invented ultra-simple piloting aircraft, which can change the world's transportation methods, shifting from ground transportation to air transportation. Part 2, my invented ultra-simple piloting aircraft, which can change the world's warfare methods, eliminating the need for ground forces and turning everything into air forces. Part 3, an introduction to the principles of my invented ultra-simple piloting aircraft.